What's up guys, Winston here. I've got some sad news. My mouse died. No, not my pet mouse. It's the gaming mouse that I had before. So today we'll be taking a look at the Corsair Dark Core RGB SE. Corsair Dark Core RGB SE is a wireless gaming RGB mouse. Comes with 16,000 DPI, 9 programmable buttons. It supports the Qi wireless charging and ultra fast 1 millisecond wireless low latency Bluetooth connection, all wired via the USB. I can't wait to actually replace my dying mouse with this Corsair Dark Core RGB SE. So we'll be doing a quick unboxing and give it a hands-on real test and see how it feels in the hand and play with a couple of games as well. So we'll see you later. Just a short message. This video was made possible thanks to Funkykit. You can support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by clicking on the affiliated links down below. If you're planning to make a purchase, why not visit our Amazon store to find some great bargains. Thanks for your attention and enjoy the video. Alright, here we have the Corsair Dark Core RGB SE gaming mouse. As a wireless gaming mouse. Let's take a look. Alright, so we actually have the box inside the actual mouse. And let's take this out here and see what else is inside the box. That's pretty much it, I think. Just a instruction manual, then that is it. Let's have a look at the mouse itself, a closer look. Okay, some more instruction stuff here, yep, firmware guide and so on. And then we have some interesting parts here. What's this? The USB converter from the mini or micro USB to the standard USB there. There's the kind of side rest for your mouse, and then we have the dongle, the wireless dongle. Okay, and then if you prefer not to have a wireless, then you can actually use it as a standard mouse with the USB cable right there. This also acts as a charging cable too, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the Dark Core Corsair Dark Core RGB SE gaming mouse. It has 9 programmable buttons. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 programmable buttons. It's got this nice contoured kind of grip here that fits nicely on the hand. And you have your removable side grip there as well. And 16,000 DPI, yes. Alright, so you have the on-off switch here and also the Bluetooth or 2.4 G wireless dongle connection there. The USB there connection goes here, right there. And you can use this then with as a wired mouse, and also the USB cable used for charging the mouse itself. Alright, let's take a look at the RGB effects. Switch it on, and wow, we call that RGB effects. Okay, nice RGB low effects all over the mice along here as well. This incidentally will connect up to or compatible with the IQ software that the Corsair has, so you can actually sync it all up with the RGB software that the Corsair has, the IQ, to give you nice RGB effects and match all of your Corsair RGB gaming products. Very nice. So we will be testing this along with the keyboard to play a couple of rounds of PUBG or CSGO. I'm hoping that it'll give us some nice, fast, responsive gaming experience. So here Here we have the Corsair Dark Core RGB SE gaming mouse, the wireless gaming mouse. And as you can see, it's a very nice ergonomic mouse with a nice grip. You have the contoured back here, and then obviously the RGB lighting along here, along the wheel as well. There's the contoured thumb grip there. You got the 3 lights for the profiles, and obviously 9 programmable buttons. Very nice. You can see it slides very smooth as well. Here at the back you have the on-off button here, and also the Bluetooth switch there. And obviously in the front of the mouse you have the USB port for charging the mouse, and you can use it as a wired mouse as well. Here you go. So yeah, Corsair Dark Core RGB SE wireless gaming mouse. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a like and click on the subscribe for more. Don't forget you can actually purchase all the items via the links in the description. Until our next video, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.